Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss verb and its sixth form. Verb is an action word. There are so many words that describe an action and doer of something. And exactly, dear students, it is also a state of being, like is or am. Then when it describe a state of being of something, like I am a teacher. Am is describing a state of being. Actually, am is telling us that I is connected to a teacher. Teacher is a subject complement that is having a relationship with the subject. So dear students, sometimes verbs becomes a state of being, but most of in our tenses verb is an action word. Verbs are the action words. And verb has a six form, like eat, drink, sleep, see, understand, feel. Every word that describes an action is called a verb. Dear students, we have six form of verb: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth. The name of these forms are: first form has a name, present or a base form. Second form of verb is called past form. Third verb is called past participle. Fourth form of verb is known as present participle, that becomes a putting ing word with first form. Means say is a first form, say is a first form. When we add ing, it becomes present participle and it functions as an action into a sentence. Dear students, infinitive is a verb that has a word to before it. Bare infinitive, when that to is omitted and does not necessary in the sentence, then it becomes a bare infinitive. That is called bare infinitive. When we analyze these sentences, he says a truth. Says a truth. Says is actually describing an action, so that's why it becomes a verb. He is going to school. He is going to school means someone is performing some kind of an action. So action word is a going. Here he came, someone has come, and and or someone came in yesterday. So students, that is a verb. These are the verbs form. Say, Urdu meaning कहना. Said is the second form. Said is the third form. Saying is the fourth form. To say is the fifth form. Say is the sixth form. Please repeat with me to learn these forms. You inshallah always will be able to understand the function of that verb, how it forms themselves. Go, Urdu meaning jana. Went is the second form. Gone is the third form. Going, to, go, go. Come, Urdu meaning ana. Come, came, come, coming, to come, come. Get, hustle karna. Got. And in the past, got was gotten, but later it has become the third form, got as well. So student, get, got was gotten, but now get, got. Getting, to get, and get. See, Urdu meaning देखना. See, saw, seen, seeing, to see, see. Know, Urdu meaning जानना. Know, knew, known, knowing, to know. Eat, Urdu meaning खाना. Eat, at, eaten, eating, to eat. Like, पसंद करना. Like, liked, to like, and like at the final. Now we understand how the forms are making a sentence or being into these sentences having a single form. Like he says, here there is a first form of verb. He is going. Going is a present participle, means fourth form of a verb. He came. Came is a second form of a verb. Dear student, he has got or gotten. In the past, I told you before this, got. Got is here after has is a third form. I wanna see. I wanna see. Bare infinitive. When we put two nouns, when we put two verbs together, we have to put the word to between them. I want to see. But modern English has I wanna see. Bare infinitive. Here is a sixth form of verb. He does not know. Know is a first form of verb. I like to eat. To eat. To eat. Here is I like to eat. Fifth form of a verb. Dear student, he does not know. He does not like. Like is a first form of verb. Hope so that lecture will make you a better understanding about the verbs and its form. Thank you so much.